Welcome to the Link Leap AI training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for your restaurant menu in Link Leap AI. Just select the restaurant menu option. Now you are in data entry section. Just add basic details like restaurant name, phone, email, website, address, maps URL, opening hours. Social profiles. Now fill main details like logo, background image, fave icon, menu name, font size, categories. Menu items. Food allergens. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.